Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Shedrach, and on this video, I'm going to show you comprehensive features of more data Universal VTU portal creator script. Why should you settle for this script? And the reason why you should participate on the end of the year promo. So don't go anywhere on this video. Make sure you watch it to the end because I'm going to give you my in-depth analysis and the features of this particular application that makes it possible for you to run a telecom business just like a pro in Nigeria. So to get started, we are going to be looking at a few key features of this application. Now, to get started, the first thing you should know is to first of all go to the web browser and type moredata.com.ng. So you can see it right away, the one I circled. This is a place where you have to go to check out the application. The reason is because it's very important you check out what you want to pay for before even you pay for it. So I'm going to be going straight to the point right away. Now, what is More Data? More Data is mobile online recharge, okay? Mobile online data recharge. Now, it's actually a platform that explains what's called the application, which I'm about to show you how to get it on this end of the year promo. So in this place, what are the things that you should understand about this application? The first thing you should get right is that the application comes with its own custom logo. What is a logo? A logo is what shows your brand, okay? Now, the name of your brand is going to appear at the top right-hand side screen, or you can see it right away. It's going to appear here. And then going further, you're going to see another call to action. The reason for this call to action is to enable SEO optimization. What is SEO? Ranking you on Google is so going further on this very demonstration of the application. If you go here, you're able to see the login register button that is displayed here. This particular call to action helps your users to be able to log in and register on the application. Okay, so now there is also an advert image that explains to your users or your customers about your latest offer. For those of your customers that are going to be viewing it on the desktop device or the laptop device, they're going to see this advert right away. So going further, you're able to see a call to action. Why choose us? Okay. Now here is a place where your customer can understand the reason for choosing your platform over others. Okay. Now this image is also very nice because it helps to explain kind of the eye-catching image that enable your customer to actually see why they should choose your platform or that. So the next thing there is our service sections, which of course we explain every service about your platform. That includes data, airtime, airtime to cash, airtime recharge, data. So this is a very good sections this application supports. So if you are going for the script version, which I'm going to show you just briefly, you can be able to modify all these statements, which I'm going to actually train you step by step on how to achieve that. Now, the next thing is what's called, you can see here, we provide outsourced services. Now, you can easily advertise a different thing on these sections. That's if you are going for the script version. So you can easily advertise your reseller portal setup solution here, which I'm going to show you. So this is also, it comes with the application. Now, you can also see aims and objective. You can see the aims and objective is here. Now, the API integration is also here, which enables you to actually tell your users that they can easily integrate your API into their existing web solution. So going further, you can see the testimonial section. This is actually the landing page, and also you can see the pricing sections, which you can modify in the back end, okay? So that's if you are going for the script version. Now, you can also see the pricing section. You can literally change all this pricing section that is here, okay? So once you're able to get the script, you're able to see that this can be modified from the back end. Okay, now going further, you can able to see here that you can easily add up your contact details, your phone number, your email address. Then Google Play Store, that if you have an app on Google Play Store, can also be added here. Then at the down footer section, you have to see one thing that is very important, which is you can also see your logo is going to be here. Your description is going to be here. This is for SEO. Okay, SEO simply means search engine optimization. So it is always necessary that you have a very good SEO keyword optimized for your VTU website to rank very high. Now, another thing that you can see here is the dates is carried on automatically. Then you can see developed by. Now, pay attention, very, very critical here. If you are going for the reseller portal setup, this particular call to action is going to be our own kind of phone number that will be there. But if you are going for the script version, what is the script version? I'm going to show you just in brief, but I'm just like trying to explain some key features of this application. Now, you can change these statements. Okay, this place you see smart developer. You can easily change it to any kind of maybe your website or maybe your link to your WhatsApp can be changed here. I believe you're getting it. So that's exactly a mind blowing, because most applications you see out there, once they have finished building a reseller website for you, you'll be able to they will link it to their own website, which is not good for you in the long run. So, but here you have the ability to change the statement that is at the footer section. So I haven't given you the background of the overview of the landing page of this mind-blowing Universal VTU portal creator script. The next thing we have to look at is to log into the user end to see how the interface looks. How does the user interact with the application? Because the reason for building a VTU website is for your users, not actually for you. Because you as the admin, you have to build for your users. Okay, so now, but before I continue on this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. This is Legit Cash Business TV. What we do here, what I do here every day is to teach you how to make money online. I cover cryptocurrency trading, VTU mobile app development, forex trading, and general online business hustle. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by to check on our update. We love and care for you. Now, remember, this video is a follow-up video that has to do with the offer where it was the end of the year offer. But then before I go to the offer properly, I'm going to show you the back end of this application for your users. So I already have an account. You can create an account on this application. It's totally free of charge. You can easily create an account. So once you create an account, you will log into the back end to see how the interface looks like. The reason for giving you all these lectures is for you to be informed of the kind of solutions you are to pay. What are you going to get? Now, the first thing you should understand is that once you log into the application, you'll be able to see that the application supports a notification. So this is actually a notification that enables you to edit. You can easily edit and put any message that you think that you want your users to see. So you can see the notification, you can see the message. It is necessary that you can actually communicate your audience what is going on your VTU website. So this application supports it. Now, the next thing that you can see here is that there is a mini referral program which this application supports. You can see it right away. This is just like trying to enable you to reward your members when they refer the users in the system. So that's it. You can see there. Then you can see good money on Yema here. This is actually, it will bear the users, the person's what's it called, that is logging into the application. He or she is going to see why the system is going to welcome the person. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. I believe you're getting it. So that's a very mind blowing for you. Now you can see here, you can see the package. Now this application supports 3 tiers of packages, okay, which include the API package, the smart users, and the top users. So you as an admin can easily configure what the price difference is as regards to buying and selling of data or airtimes across all the whole packages. And that is a very good mind-blowing opportunity for you. Now, apart from that, you can also see here that there's a reseller website setup solution call to action, which is displayed here. This enables you to advertise a reseller website setup solutions. For those of you that are going for either the reseller system or also for the for the VTU script system, we are going to be giving you these lectures and training on how to increase income on this business, because the whole essence of getting the script or even getting a VTU website is for you to make money in the process. So we're going to teach you how to utilize the functions of the applications to be able to increase the overall earning potentials as a business owner in Nigeria. Now, another good thing about this application is that it supports auto banking. Okay, so if you have a company registered by the CAC, you can easily enroll for auto banking using this application, which we are going to show you how to do it. So people can pay you for a kind of to fund their wallet. So this is going to see you support it. Now, another thing that the script supports is the welcome notification message. This message, if you are going for the script version, can be modified. Okay. Now, another thing is the transactions. The transaction here talks about the transaction history as regard to what the user is doing on the system. So users can easily filter out the transactions across airtime payments, data subscriptions. So you can see data subscriptions, the ones that is pending and the one that has been delivered. You can easily see it right away. So you can see the transfer. If the user has made a transfer, then you can see coupon, airtime to cash, several other things that is here. So this is just transaction. The reason is very simple, because any application you must settle with must have this unique transaction history to enable your users to actually see what they are doing as regard to, it's like a statement of fact of their business. So you can also see wallet summary here. The wallet summary here talks about the funding of wallets, you know, how they fund wallet is going to be displayed for them. Now, one good thing about this application is that it is very flexible and it is very fast in loading. So it's not like maybe it's a pure application that gives you the flexibility you need in this business. So you can also see the wallet balance, which also shows the users the current balance, what the amount the users have. Okay, the referral bonus is also here. Now, one good feature about this application, which I like the most, apart from that, you can also support, before I show you that very cool feature, you can see WhatsApp support, then join for WhatsApp group. You can also define that. Then you can see the support at the left down section of, right down section of your screen. That's if you're using a laptop or even a mobile device. So you can see it now. One good feature about this application is the UI. Now, this application is targeting mobile users. So if you're accessing this application on the mobile, it is 100% mobile friendly. I believe you're getting it. So for instance, if I click now, let me just show you just one demonstration. If I click buy data now, you'll be able to see that the system will give me network variations. Okay, I can easily choose any of the network that I think I want to subscribe. If it is MTN SMA, I will choose. If it is Airtel, I will choose. If it is Glo, I will choose. If it is 9Mobile, I will choose. Now, one good cool feature of this application, which I want you also to know, is this. In the system, in the back-end application, as if you have gotten the application, you discover that each of these networks, like MTN, has its own ability for you to link it to a different API, meaning that you can be able to source MTN SMA or MTN corporate gifting data from one API, and also source Airtel, corporate gifting and gifting from another API. And you can also source Glo data from another API, or you can also source 9Mobile data from another API. So that is the cool feature of this application, which I like the most. Why? Because it does not give you, it doesn't tie you to a particular provider. I believe you're getting it. It makes it possible for you to have leverage and liberty to switch API. Why I'm always emphasizing on API switch is this. Many a times, if you are building a website that is a reseller website in nature, and you are linking to a particular API, if anything goes wrong, you are going down on that business. We have been experiencing it in most of the application we have lately. Okay. Now, But this application stands the test of the whole application we have ever seen in the industry. Why? Because you can do multiple API switch. If one platform is down in terms of sourcing of your product, you can switch to another one. Now, if the other one is not down, you can maintain that. So this is the cool aspect of this application, which I like the most. Now, another thing that you can also see here is the result checker. Now, you can easily see what's called scratch card payment. That's what's called WAEC and other scratch card. That's if you want to go for scratch card payment. So you can see it right away on the application. Apart from that, what are the other things that I will show you briefly on the application is what's it called? Let me just go down. I'm almost like trying to sum up this video so that I will not make it so very long. We already explained so many things on this application, but let me also give you some menu navigations. You can see B payments. You can easily click on the B payments, and then you can select what's called the disco you want to pay, like Enugu electricity or maybe Badan Eco electricity. Then select the meter type, then you put the meter number, and then you make your subscriptions. So this on the utility payment. You can also see cable, which include GoTV, DSTV, is all here. Now, I don't want to explore more on this application, but the main reason for giving you this update on the end of the year promo is this. This is, if you come to our YouTube channel, you see that we made a video that is 5 days ago, okay? In fact, it's 6 days ago, but the stem is still reading 5 days. Before you know it, it's 6 days ago. Now, in this video, we are giving end of the year promo.